Hi, Year Six. It's Mr. Kuna here
Hi.
with your homework for this week, for the next couple of weeks. As you can see, it's the 7th of the 1st, 2022, and it's being returned on Wednesday, the 19th of January, 2022. We are clamping down a little bit, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
About things coming in late. If we could, keep it on the 19th if possible.
Because you have enough time to do it, and the tasks are not that long to do.
So you've got more than enough time to do it. So just try and make sure it's on time, if you could, please.
Reminder about well done, by the way. I forgot this is the thing before. It is amazing to see the homework that we are receiving. You guys put so much effort into what you are bringing in. It just needs to be on time. I feel like some of you are not managing your time as well as you should be. So well done to those of you that are keeping to the deadlines and you are producing amazing pieces of work. This is what I was going to say. Emails. You can bring your work in. I know that some of you like to bring your books in. I don't mind that. I think it's nicer. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You can email it to me or Mr. Hallam.
It's always good to see homework's being sent to both me and Mrs. Schooner.
Yeah.
It's also nice to see books as well. So, however you want to do it, you keep doing it.
English.
So this will be on my school app. We'll have a look at that now. So this is we've got a picture from the website Once Upon a Picture. And clearly it's a man with keyholes for eyes. It's a little bit disturbing. He's got keys behind him. As we go down, we can see questions to consider. So what do you think of concierges? Make a prediction, then check using a dictionary. Were you right? What clues did you use? What helped you to work out what a concierge might be? Is this man real? Why? Why does he have keyholes for eyes? What might he represent? So what, not necessarily what might he be doing, but if he's got keyholes for eyes, well, why has he got keyholes for eyes? What could be the reason? Is he a good or bad character? Explain your reasoning. Why are all of his keys different shapes and sizes? Why is he holding one key? What is it for? What does it unlock? And why are keys interesting objects to include in stories? Can you think of any stories that include a key? And if you know me well, you know that one of my favorite books has a key in it, perhaps a key that might even fly. And then underneath that, you can see, use this image to write a story about the keeper of the keys, the secret passage through the door, or any of the story title like. So you might want to pick one of those. You might think, actually, oh, I've got a better idea about a story title that we might be able to do. But it's up to you. Remember to include a range of sentence openers, sentence types, ambitious vocabulary. Use an online thesaurus. If you've got an actual thesaurus, open that, use that. Range of punctuation as always. Writing in one consistent tense, so not changing from past to present tense or even to future tense. Figurative language, similes, metaphors, expanded noun phrases. All the stuff that you by now know how to do. We know how to do it. If you're not sure, have a look at it on here. Open Google, have a look at it on there. Okay. I'll pass back over to Miss Schooner so that she can do the maths.
Yay, that's your English. Your maths one is a bit of a challenge. Some of you are going to have a go at this. So you have to figure out what numbers are behind the stars. So the whole calculation uses each of the digits 0 to 9 once and once only. So Mrs. Kuna, can I use 9 twice? Unfortunately not, no. The 4-figure number, this is a 4-figure number. 4-digit number contains 3 consecutive numbers. 3 consecutive numbers are things like 1, 2, and 3. It could be 4, 5, and 6. Okay, they are 3 consecutive numbers, which are not in order. Okay, the third digit is the third digit is the sum of the 2 consecutive numbers. So one of these is the sum. So if you add up the 2 numbers, that is that particular third number. The first, third, and fifth. So the first, third, and fifth of the 5-digit are the 3 consecutive numbers. So they're the product. So you have to times the 3 consecutive numbers to get those 3 numbers there. Okay, so this sounds tricky. I will probably go through it during class. So don't panic if you think, Mrs. Kuna, I haven't got a clue what you're talking about. That's good. That's fine. We'll go through it in class. Have a look at these clues to help you. So just pause it here. Have a look at these clues. Make a list of 3 consecutive. That should be up there. It didn't fit. That's why it's not there. 0 to 9. Remembering that 3 has already been accounted for. Okay. What could the ones digit of the product be if the multiplication is by 3? So that's a big clue. So yeah, have a go at the maths. Again, if you want me to go through it, I will go through it.
My advice to you, as well as a final piece of advice, is try and work out the answer progressively. So start with the first bullet point. The whole calculation uses each of the digits 0 to 9 once and once only. Then once you found an answer for that, then you can look at the 4-figure number contains 3 consecutive numbers which are not in order. So you can find 3 consecutive numbers for that 4-figure number at the top. And then you can find the 3rd digit is the sum, and you can build up the picture then, rather than trying to do it all in one go.
Yeah, I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, come and ask us. You know you can always come and ask us.
Absolutely.
But yeah, have fun. The English one sounds interesting. I'm quite looking forward to that.
I was saying, I'm looking forward to reading some of these stories that come out.
We've got some really exciting English homework coming to you after this project, or this homework that we're giving to you. But yeah, have fun. That's it for now. Bye.
Bye.